Consistency is one of the hardest parts of content creation. Posting every day can feel overwhelming. But with the Affiliate Automation Academy, you don't have to create endless videos yourself. The program provides a viral copy and paste content system. You'll have access to short clips that are already proven to work, so you can stay consistent without spending hours making your own videos. This not only saves you time but also helps you avoid burnout. And here's the best part. Your daily routine only takes about 20 minutes. You post the videos and then the automation features inside the academy handle the rest. That means your account stays active, your leads get automatic follow-ups, and your affiliate links keep working for you, even when you're offline. Because the Affiliate Automation Academy focuses on high-ticket products, the effort is small compared to the potential reward. You don't need hundreds of small sales. Just a few big commissions can change your income. So if you want to stay consistent without burning out, join the Affiliate Automation Academy now using the link in my description.